Amir!
What do you want, sir?
You deliver food? I just ordered some.
No, sir. It's my sleep hour. Even I need sleep sometimes, sir.
Please deliver it. I'm very hungry.
Womp, womp. Remember what your mom told you? Don't eat at night. You'll turn into queso.
No, I won't. Look at me. Do I look like a queso?
You look like a double queso.
What if I give you $5 tip?
$5? No, sir. Give me at least 10.
I will give you $15.
Okay, sir. I'm coming.
Thank you. Hello. Where are you, Amir? It's been 2 minutes. Come on, I made just a small order. Please don't be long.
A small order? Sir, you ordered 300 cheeseburgers, 100 liters of cock, 100 extra large buckets of wings, 800 triple bacon burgers, 400 sandwiches. I can't go fast, sir. All that food probably weighs almost as much as you.
That's not even that much. Just some food for a snack.
This delivery will cost a lot, sir. $100, sir.
I'll pay.
Oh, wait. My phone lagged. I actually meant $1,000.
$1,000 for delivery. That's a lot, but I'll still pay.
Wait. I forgot a zero. I meant $10,000. I'm bad at math. Please pay with PayPal here. Amir the goat.
10,000 is all my savings, but I'm willing to do anything for my food. Just pay.
Thanks, sir. I'm here.
What? That was fast. You're the best, Amir.
Thank you, sir. You just made me the richest man in India, by the way. You can keep that $15.
Okay, but Amir, did you just left my order in front of my door? I won't fit in the door frame, Amir.
Sorry, can't talk right now. Living the rich life.
No! I can't reach my food.
Amir, I know you didn't die because Casio jumped on you. Deliver my food now. Aren't you built different?
This is his sister Amrita speaking to you. Unfortunately, my brother passed away in a brutal accident involving very fat man that sat on him.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am, sir.
How could Amir die? He's built different. He can't die because Casio sat on him.
Are you high, sir? Amir is regular person. Casio brutally crashed Amir with his bike.
No. Amir survived nukes, earthquakes. He time traveled, went to other galaxies and universes. He fell from billions of miles without taking fall damage. He was shot with a bazooka 10 times in a row and still survived. He's bulletproof. He is immortality itself. He's built different.
Sir, you're probably crazy. We can help you to get to a mental hospital, sir.
I swear this is real. Don't you know your own brother? I'll prove you it's real. Tell Amir I'll give him $2 tip.
Wait, what? It worked. He woke up.
What are you saying? $2? In India, I could buy a Bugatti with $2.
I know you can, Amir. But first things first. Deliver me my juicy burger, Amir. If you deliver in 10 seconds, I'll double your tip.
Easy. High speed running, sir. I got a side quest, sir.
Get!
My thoughts, sir. Raised her up. Now we go bing bang.
What? You can't flex on me like that, Amir. And you have only 4 seconds left.
No worry, I'm quick, sir. Already heading back with your burger.
No way, Amir. Even I could last longer.
I just speed running, sir. I hear.
Holy sh! You made exactly in 10 seconds. Here's your $4 tip.
Yippee. You the best, sir. I deliver your food, sir.
Sorry, Amir. Not now. My dad just died.
Oh, happy funeral, sir. I still deliver. Food always needs someone. And I need $2.
What? No, I'm not hungry, Amir. I didn't order any food.
I already on the way,
Food
sir. Cheer you up, sir.
Amir, my dad just died. That's not funny.
This is my new car. Just bought for $4. Its max speed is 700 miles per hour, sir. I go fast, sir. We'll be there in 20 seconds.
What the heck, Amir? Just leave me alone for now. You'll make everything worse.
Oh, no, sir. Car wanted to make a romance with a building. Oops, it's a school building. But don't worry. Almost no kids were harmed.
Amir, you are crazy. We're done with the funeral. I'm going home because of you. I can't even be at my dad's funeral in peace.
No, sir. I already here.
Amir, you can't just show up at someone's funeral uninvited. Just get out of there.
Hold on, sir. Let me cook. I just resurrect him.
How did you do that, Amir?
I gave him bite of a burger. He's back to life now.
OMG! There's no way. You just gave him a bite of a burger?
Yes, sir. Built different.
I'm sorry I was mad at you, Amir. You definitely deserve a $2 tip.
Sir, you're so generous. I can buy a private jet in India now.
What's up with my order, Amir?
Don't text this number again, please. Thank you.
Who are you? How did you get Amir's phone?
I'm Amir's #1 client on Uber Eats. Amir is now my private delivery guy.
What? This is such bullshit. Amir delivers food to everyone. Plus, I give him a $2 tip every time he delivers me food. This is not fair.
Nah, Amir is mine now. No one else can use him because I tip him $2.10 instead of just $2. He's not delivering food to you. He's delivering it to me. But you pay.
What? This isn't real. Amir would never do this to any of his clients. What have you done to Amir? Tell me right now.
Don't worry, sir. Don't listen to this Yapo Gorlock's brother. The Maka stole my phone and was texting some bullshit. I just got my phone back and knocked his ass. He flew like a bowling ball.
I knew this wasn't for real. So where's my food, Amir? It's been 2 hours.
I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't know you order food because I don't have my phone. I'm coming to you right now, sir.
You better hurry up, Amir. If you teleport my food to my table instantly, I'll give you $2 tip.
Okay, sir. I'm trying.
Come on, Amir.
Oh, no, sir. Your food teleported to Mars. Sorry, sir.
No way. To Mars.
Sorry, I know train this skill very well. I'm trying to focus on your food and teleport it to your location. It's not that easy. Please be patient, sir.
Okay. OMG, it just appeared on my table. Thank you so much, Amir.
Now, where's my $2?
I don't have $2.
What? Give me at least $1, sir.
No, I don't have money at all. No $2 for you this time.
You bloody broke, Maka. No food for you this time.
What? Amir, why did my food just disappear in front of me?
No $2 tip, no food. Simple, sir. I deliver your food, sir.
Good luck, Amir. I'm in space orbiting the Earth. It's cold up here. You'll freeze your balls off.
No, sir. My ball's so hot it won't freeze. I build different.
That's cool, but I bet you won't make it in 1 minute.
You're right, sir. I won't.
What about $3 tip?
I'm coming, sir.
Are you sure you can do it? You'll need a spacesuit, and you have to somehow...
Stop that yappity yapping, sir. For $3, I can deliver in 30 seconds without a spacesuit. Did you forget who you are talking to?
Yeah, I know you're built different, Amir.
Sir, I flying?
Already? That's crazy.
Oh, no, sir. I took wrong turn. Now I'm in Alpha Centauri. That's only 4 light years away.
You won't make it in time. You have 30 seconds left.
Bloody heck, sir. Aliens stole your burger, sir.
What? Go and get them, Amir. Take my food back. Show them that you're built different.
Calm down, sir. I got your food, sir. We're friends with aliens now, by the way. My enemy count always remains at 0.
Amir, you have only 10 seconds left. You better hurry up, or no dola for you.
There's a big problem again, sir. I forgot I built different for 0.5 seconds. Now I can't fly fast.
How could that happen, Amir?
Sorry, sir. It happens sometimes.
Well. You have 3 seconds left. 2, 1.
I'm here, sir.
OMG, how?
I troll you, sir. I was here 20 seconds ago.
Okay, here's your Amir, there's one fry missing.
Oh no, sir. Alien must have eaten one fry.
But you still deserve $2.
Yippee!
I hacked you, Amir.
What the heck, sir? Who are you, sir?
I'm your biggest enemy.
Sir, this is bullshit. I have 0 enemies.
Wrong. I'm your enemy, and I have your bank account. $20 is mine now.
No! My dollar. Do you want a burger, sir, so I can keep my dollar? I can deliver.
No! I want to know how to be built different. You tell me now, or...
Or what? You can't learn being built different, bozo. It's complicated.
Amir, you have to tell me.
No, sir.
What if I give you $5?
Sir, you funny. You hacked me, but now you want to pay me?
I'm offering you a good deal.
No, sir. Starting at $100.
You want $100? You're crazy, Amir.
$100 is my family's entire earnings for 2 decades combined.
Wait, Amar, is that you? Didn't I kick your ass hard enough?
No! How did you expose me?
Because you Amar, stupid motherfucker. Even my deaf and blind grandmother could tell it's you, Amar.
Let's make a deal, Amir. I pay you $50 and you tell me how to be built different.
$50? Deal. Pay here.
I just paid.
Thank you, Amar. Here's the detailed guide how to become built different. Top secret.
I pay. I'll be the best delivery guy in the universe now. Adios, Amir. I'll be the leader now. Why are you laughing, Amir? Wait, Amir, you bozo. What the fuck did you send me? Is this the top secret guide?
Got scammed, Amar. You thought I'll reveal my secret to you? Nah, you stupid. Thank you for $50, by the way. I also hacked you back, so thanks for extra $40. I can buy infinite butter chicken now. Where's my $10 tip?
Sorry, Amir. I ate it.
Bloody heck. I won't let that slide. You promised to give me a tip if I deliver your food in 10 seconds. To the year 2576. And I made it in time.
He was 0.0004 seconds late.
No, Peter Trippin. This is bloody bullshit. I'm built different. I'm never late. Give me my well-deserved $10.
No, I never said $10. I actually meant 10 heart emojis. Here you go.
Maybe in year 2576 emojis are worth something. But I want dollars.
I don't have an extra $10. For 10, I could buy 2 cheeseburgers and a large bucket of cock.
For $10, I could retire my whole family and all of my friends.
2 burgers and cock are obviously more important.
So I'm not getting a tip.
Of course, no.
You made me mad, Mr. Obi. I feel like starting my ultimate revenge arc.
Revenge arc. I'm telling my boyfriend. He'll teach you a lesson in why you shouldn't threaten a woman.
Since when did it become a sin to threaten a beanbag?
That's it. I'm telling him right now. You're cooked.
I'm not cook. I'm cooking. So this your boyfriend? Now I see who's the real Burger King here.
Don't make fun of him. He was supposed to beat you up, but he's not responding to my messages anymore.
He must be very busy eating. But don't worry. I can fix your relationship. I'll tell every delivery guy in the universe that you are bad client. No food for you two anymore. Without food, you can spend more time together.
What? No! Food means everything to me. Please don't do that. I can give you $10, Amir.
No, $10 too little. I want $100.
Yes, thank you, Amir.
You thought it'd be that easy. You're banned in every food delivery app now. Thanks for $100, by the way.
Amir, where's my order?
Hello, sir. This is Amir's brother, Amor. Unfortunately, Amir passed away in a horrible car accident.
No, he didn't. You think I'm letting this slide? Tell me the truth, Amor. I'll give you $1.
$1. You're so generous, sir.
So what happened to Amir?
Amir f***ed up, sir. He met this cat and dressed her up. They went bing bang.
What? How did Amir forget that Uber Eats is more important than women?
No, listen, sir. He didn't. He said he'd be quick, but turned out it wasn't a woman.
What the Who was it then?
It was Amar Muka Faka. He kidnapped Amir.
No way. Again? Where's Amir now?
Amar gave Amir to Mafia, sir. They probably unalived him.
But Amir is built different. I cooked Amar so many times. He survived nukes. He doesn't have fall damage. They couldn't unalive him. It's just not possible.
Sir, I want to believe in best, but I think this is the end.
No! Amar won't win. He's clown. Why you didn't do anything, Amor? If you're Amir's brother, you have to be built different too.
I am, sir. I tried my best. But I can't control everything. I can deliver your food, though, if you want, sir.
No, Amir must deliver it. He's the best delivery guy in the universe. And you're telling me this is going to be his first ever missed delivery. I know what to do. I will give Amir a $2 tip.
$2. I'm coming, sir.
Yes! I knew you will be alive, Amir.
Anything for $2, sir.
You have to be quick now, Amir. I don't want to eat cold nuggets.
I'm here, sir.
Wow! 2 seconds after resurrection is insane. Here's your $2.
Yippee. I will buy 3 Bugattis, sir.